Weight Loss Texas has been providing quick, easy, and convenient programs for over 18 years. Here's what you can expect when you visit Weight Loss Texas: one-on-one consultation and a customized program to fit your needs. Weight Loss Texas offers programs for men, women, seniors, vegetarians, and teens. Our programs follow the guidelines with the American Diabetic Association. Food products are prepackaged for portion control. They have the exact amount of protein, fat, and carbs to create automatic weight loss. Foods are based on the low glycemic index, good carbohydrates, to help individuals keep blood sugar levels steadier, feel less hungry, and aid in burning calories more efficiently. Weight Loss Texas offers a 2-week trial, which includes 14 breakfasts, 14 lunches, 14 dinners, and 14 desserts and snacks. We offer overnight shipping to most U.S. cities, and we ship directly from our store. For more information, you can visit us at one of our 2 convenient locations in League City and The Woodlands. Or you can visit us online at www.weightlosstexas.com or at 1-800-976-7456. Weight Loss Texas, providing food that doesn't taste like a diet.